there for shipping, so it doesn't fall off. Take this off. Do we have to take that off other ones too? No, this is the only one. Oh. So this little cover just pops off right here. And then to redo the paper, there's a little lever on the inside. You can't really see it from there, but it's at the very bottom corner. You just pull it out towards you. It pops the whole thing up. It's this little plastic lever. Just pull it out and it'll pop.
What if it breaks?
I don't know. We gotta get you But it's not hard to pull. You just pop it up. Yeah. So all you gotta do is make sure that the paper is actually in the slot. Goes all the way through. Make it stick out the front. How you want to do it? And when you close this back, it's closed and make sure it lashes all the way. And it'll print you a little thing out to show you that you got the paper loaded right. So if you got it loaded right, you'll see the little logo there. If it's upside down, it won't print anything. And then it got a feed button and a feed and cut button on there if you want to feed the paper for whatever reason. Yeah.